Hey, Coachella Valley, Willie with Smart Tech here, and today we are at one of our first projects that I'm going to be showing you guys. This is Indian Palms, one of our more comfortable living situations. Today we're just going to be doing basic pre-wire. It's going to be all the TVs, going to do hardwire for our keypad, and that's about it. A lot of other homes, we do extra options, Wi-Fi access points, surround sound, patio speakers, things like that. But today we're just going to be going through the basics, so come on, check it out. Because what they're using with that is connecting to the D-Mark that goes out to the street. So internet service providers have their main hub on the street that they need to tap into. They're still utilizing the RG6 to do that. But from that point on, the RG6 is kind of irrelevant. We don't have the cable television anymore. Everything is streaming mainly. Yeah. So in that case, the Cat 6 is predominantly used on a TV, because what you're doing is you're taking the traffic off the Wi-Fi and hardwiring that TV to your internet. So it's one less device on the Wi-Fi space for traffic, and you're getting the true speed from that hard line directly to your router.
Yeah, which is what we all would want.
Exactly.
When you're